rain on whoever. I make it rain at whoever. Bitch, I'm a dog, a blue devil. I got the hoes that you have. I make it rain on whoever. I make it rain at whoever. Bitch, I'm a dog, a blue devil. I got the hoes that you have. I can't fuck with these niggas, they not 100. Trap don't keep jumping until the fiends don't want it. Trap keep jumping, tell Drake keep dumping. Run Ricky.
What's poppin' my Saiyaniacs?
What's up, guys?
What's poppin' with y'all? It's your boy KY and Sage, and we're back on a week hiatus. You know what I'm saying? That's the longest I ever went without posting. So my bad, guys. We're taking it back. We're opening the box. You feel me?
And we opened the box, and someone will be on, and it's gonna be Super Dragonball Z.
So, you know, it might not be Dragonball Z, man. You gotta
I think
keep
it'll
up.
be super real.
They're gonna be tight though. No, it's gonna be tight.
I need-
Let's open this thing up. You see this? You see this? Watch this. Ha!
This is the golden alien. The cat was my favorite. That's my favorite. And these are my favorite characters. And I got that toy.
Look at this thing, man.
Hey,
God.
oh my god.
Oh my God.
Oh my God!
I know what's right.
That boy Tanjiro.
This boy is Tom. This boy is Strange, right?
Yeah. You know who Tanjiro is?
Yeah.
No, you don't. You don't know. They don't know nothing about no demon slayer, bro. Watch this. Ah! Watch that move. Let me show you. Ah! Bah! Now it's open. I'm gonna open it up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Alright, so let me tell you. Ah! Bruh, tell me that thing ain't smooth.
He got also smooth.
Let me see that. Oh! So I had to get y'all some more light so y'all can see this. We had some technical difficulties. The thing fell, but look at that thing.
Oh my
Look at
God!
that. I recommend this to anybody. Oh my God. What a nice figure. What a nice figure, right, Sage?
Mm-hmm.
What a...
Yes, it's a nice figure.
Let's go show them that way. Let me see.
I know.
So now we got this one. You know what I'm saying? Now we got the fire one and the water one. You know what I'm saying? The water style, you know what I'm saying? The fire style.
Like plate. You want to rubber stand. That guy's wheel. This guy is frame.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Tell me that on the code. We about to switch the view up. Bah, bah. You know what I'm saying? So this is what, you know what I'm saying, the water one looks like. You know what I'm saying? The water one looks like. This is what the fire one looks like. Tell me that don't look cold. Those are the specs. That look cold. You cannot, come on. We do have some gripes about the fire. The flames could be a little better. They could be a little better, but like as in Tanjiro, that's him. That looks just like him. The detail on this figure is crisp as hell. Crisp, man. Wish I had one of those spinners, but I gotta do it with my hands so y'all can see. That's ooh. So happy it came in. So happy it came in. Now we got the fire breathing from when he fought Rui, and we got the water breathing. It's done, you feel me? It's done. It's your boy KY. Hit that like, that comment, and that subscribe. Stop playing with it. More videos coming soon. Follow the TikTok, follow the Instagram. It's your boy KY, and we are out. Peace.
次の場所はなんと。
I love you.
I love you.
I have a question.
She has a question? On my way to class with my lady love.